Stuck between overbuilt warehouse management system and basic scanning tools? Many warehouses still depend on fragmented systems, outdated scanners, delayed data, and ERP-heavy processes that slow down execution. Introducing ennSCM, an enterprise supply chain execution platform built to streamline warehouse operations, improve inventory control, and support scalable fulfillment across locations. ennSCM is designed for handheld scanning devices, supporting fast, repeated warehouse actions. Keep your ERP where it is. Add ennSCM as the modern execution layer your warehouse floor needs. ennSCM supports the warehouse flow end-to-end, from receiving and put away to inventory control, picking, packing, and shipping. Receive deliveries against purchase orders. Move received goods to the right storage locations with complete lot and serial tracking. Manage cycle counts, approvals, adjustments, transfers, and item lookup directly from handheld devices. Complete outbound execution with guided picking, packing, and shipment confirmation. Take complete control of your warehouse execution with ennSCM.